I'm Peter Gibbons, and I'm the CEO of American Importers International. A couple of years ago, we were operating out of my mom's garage, and today we occupy a 25,000 square foot facility. To make that work, the warehouse crew has been labeling everything to try to streamline our inventory and delivery times. And I can say with absolute certainty that we could do things better. Dwayne Johnson, he's our warehouse manager, and he's to blame for everything.
Hi, I'm Dwayne Johnson. No relation.
I'd call Dwayne's attempts at implementing an inventory management system a bit unconventional. I did get a kick out of that time he tried to use that color-coded sticker system.
Wait, what? You gotta be kidding me right now.
It was ultimately unsuccessful. They need help. So yeah, I think we're ready for something better. Something that will make us more efficient and more profitable. Let's see. Here we go, DLS Warehouse. Well, it's been an amazing couple of months. Dwayne was a little apprehensive about the DLS Warehouse team at first, but they came in and they helped us with planning, printing, and installation. DLS offers a complete warehouse solution, from working with our data files to coming in and completing the entire label and sign installation. Productivity has increased significantly, and our employees are having an easier time fulfilling orders. And our customers, they're happier than ever. And I think we made Dwayne's job easier too.